Hi everyone. Yeah, today I'm glad to show you how to activate Windows 10. Now I see how many people they upload in YouTube how to activate the Windows 10, but we follow the step that they are tell we cannot activate it. So today I'm show you how to activate the Windows 10 is the real one. So now I use the Windows 10 and you see my window is not yet activated. You see this is my window. I use Windows 10 Pro. Then the activate window activation is not yet activated. So if I need to activate, I need to go to the internet and then activate it. So the thing that we need to do first, we need to download this file, and this file I download already, so I don't need to download again. So how to do, we just extract this file. Okay, and then you open the file. When you open the file, you just go to the file. This one, the file that we need to install it. So we just need to run as administrator.
Automatic diagnostic complete. Sensors are functioning normally. Program complete.
Okay, so now it's done. After that, you go to see the window again. You go to see the window activity again. It's done or not. Go and right click on property, and then you will see window is activated. Window is activated. So it means that now my window is full. It's done. Thank you for watching.